We'll guide you through how to send text messages with Zapier using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, click on the Create Zap button located at the top right. In the Trigger section, search for the app you want to use to initiate the message, like Google Sheets or Slack, and select it. Choose the specific event that will trigger the text message, such as a new spreadsheet row or a new message in a channel, and set it up according to your needs. Next, move to the Action section. Here you'll search for and select SMS by Zapier as the app. Choose Send SMS as the action event. You'll need to connect your phone number if you haven't done so already. Zapier will prompt you to enter your number and verify it with a code sent to your phone. After your number is connected, in the next step, you'll configure the message details. Enter the phone number you want to send the text to, and then compose your message. You can use data from the trigger event, like a name from a spreadsheet, to personalize the message. Once everything is set, click Test and Review to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Now, whenever the trigger event occurs, Zapier will automatically send the text message for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.